Hi, I'm Allison. I virtually help people declutter their homes and lives for living, selling, packing, and moving. And one thing I've noticed with a lot of clients is they tend to have several sizes in their wardrobe because of whatever reason their weight has fluctuated over the years, and they want to make sure that they always have something that fits. Which is great for one thing, but ends up with you having a lot of clutter and too much stuff in your closet that you're not even getting to use. So, as you're going through, what you need to do is set a couple of boundaries to help you decide. And you do that by asking yourself a couple of questions like, does it fit? And if it does fit, are you actually wearing it right now? Because if not, you should get rid of it. Do you even like it? Because whether it fits or not, if you don't like it, there's really no point in keeping it. Like a client who literally held up a garbage bag of clothes and said, do you think I should keep this bag of old clothes? And I said, well, you just described it as a bag of old clothes. You tell me. And she's like, oh my God, yeah, I don't know why I'm keeping them, except for after I lost the weight, I thought I could wear them again. So if you like it, don't wear it. Has it been over 2 years since you've worn it? So whether that fits or not, even it hasn't fit for 2 years, there's a good chance that you're just the weight you're at right now, and that's okay. Accept where you are. Find clothes that make you feel beautiful and confident now, and let go of the stuff that don't fit you because you deserve to look and feel confident always. The other thing is, if you've had it for over 2 years, like if you're trying to use it as motivation to get you to lose weight, it's not going to motivate you that much just to get back into that size again. Make sure that if you're going to keep something to use that as motivation to lose or gain weight, that you're super excited about wearing that item again, because that's going to be motivation that is actually going to work versus, ooh, I just am going to feel better about myself when I get into that size. But if you're like, I'm going to look so amazing in that outfit, that will help you get back into that shape much more so than just wanting to get back into that size. So motivations for the right reasons. Be excited about getting into that outfit. That's going to make it worthwhile for keeping. And lastly, do they match with other items in your wardrobe? Because we all buy something eventually that, we think is amazing, and then nothing goes with it, or you're just not sure how to style it. And if you don't have friends or family who can help you with that, and it just has been sitting there because it doesn't go with anything, it's time to let it go and let someone who does know how the thing to perfectly pair with it enjoy it instead.